Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from NeoNet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to manage the notification settings on your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
Notifications provide an alert from applications you have installed on your mobile device. These notifications can be missed phone calls, likes on Facebook, email messages, or many other types, depending on the apps installed on your device.
Some notifications are helpful, other times they can be unwanted. Luckily, both Android and Apple devices make it fairly easy to customize notification settings for specific apps.
Let's start with Apple. Customizing your notifications is fairly easy. In your settings menu, select Notifications, and it will populate a menu with the current apps on your device. For now, we'll use Instagram as an example. Once we've tapped onto our selected application, we can see the different options for customizing that specific application. The first toggle is whether to allow notifications on your device or not. If you'd prefer to not have any notifications from an application at all, simply deselect the option. You can deselect Show in Notification Center to choose whether you'd like notification from this app to appear in the Notification Center. You can turn sound notifications on or off, depending on your preference, with the Sounds toggle. If the app is especially important to you, sounds can help to get your attention quickly, while in silent mode, alert sounds will be represented in vibrations. The badge app icon is the option to have notifications as a badge on the app icon. These will appear as numbers in red circles in the top right corner of the app icon. Notifications can be viewed by swiping from the top of the screen to open the Notification Center that'll show you recent alerts, starting with your newest at the top. From the Recent Notification screen, you can swipe right to access notifications for today. This includes any events on your calendar, top news stories, weather, and more. Notifications will remain in the Notification Center until they are dismissed or cleared. To clear a notification, tap the X and then press Clear.
Now on to Android. Open your Android device and select the Settings application, the gear icon. This can be located on your dock, swiping down from the top twice, or by selecting the app from the app drawer. In this example, we're accessing the Settings menu from the Notification shade. Select the Apps and Notifications option. Tap on the App Info option. This menu will then populate with the apps currently installed on your device. You can customize or toggle each entry here individually. To customize a notification, just tap its entry. Here you can block notifications from the app, set them to silent, or allow them to show up on your lock screen.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about understanding how to manage the notification settings on your Apple or Android device. For more information, see Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or click the link below.
We'd like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Ventures Center for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.